Okay, let's look at, finally, for this triangular pyramid, let's look at finding the volume. And as we did with prisms, volumes tend to be the easiest of the three to do, because you've already found part of it, and we just need to figure in one more part of this triangle. So if you remember, this triangular pyramid, I should say, remember, ladies and gentlemen, that volume from your formula sheet is equal 1/3 times area of the base times the height. Okay? Well, we already found the area of the base in the previous exercise right here. This was the area of the base right here. 110.848 centimeters squared. So we can use that again, we don't have to recalculate it. So the area of the base right here was equal to, let's start with the 1/3. It's 1/3 times the area of the base that we just found of this equilateral triangle, which was 110.848. Again, I'm not going to use the rounded value that was my answer for part B. And then times the height. Now the height is the perpendicular height, not the slant height. It's from here, the center of that triangular base, up to the apex, which is given right here as H. It's 36 centimeters. And that's really all you need to do for volume. You've already found the area of the base, 110.848 times 1/3 times the perpendicular altitude or the height, which was 36. And if you multiply those together, you get 1,330 and 176 thousandths. Again, now that it's volume, it's cubic centimeters. But again, we got to round to 3 significant digits. So if we do that, these are your 3 significant digits, and that's your placeholder right there. So this would actually be 1,330 centimeters cubed. And we've just found the lateral area, total surface area, and volume for this triangular pyramid.